Standard 9, Subject History and Political Science, Chapter 1, Sources of History. Dear student, in last video from Chapter 1, Sources of History, we learnt that there are written sources, material sources, oral sources and audiovisual sources through which we come to know about our past. We learned about written sources. Now let us know about material sources. Here we can understand history through materials used during the periods like coins, ornaments, things in daily use, clothing, royal seals, modern architecture, etc. The subjects embossed on coins and printed on currency notes help us to understand the important issues of the period like coins, communicating the importance of agriculture and of farmers. An event, silver, golden, diamond, jubilee or sanitary events, etc. In museums, we find collections of materials like coins, ornaments, things of daily use, clothing, royal seals, weapons used, etc. Every state of India is having museums that depicts the characteristics and display the culture and social heritage of the state. Example, the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Museum in Mumbai. Apart from written and material sources of history, there is oral sources and audiovisual sources. Oral sources include folk tales, folk songs, proverbs, ballads, audiovisual sources. Television, films, internet are called audiovisual media. Many domestic and foreign television channels also come under this head. Now, let us see Film and Television Institutes of India, that is FTII. The Government of India started the Film and Television Institute of India at Pune in 1960 with the purpose of providing public education. An institute called Indian News Review has produced various newsreels on important events in politics, social issues, art, sports, and culture. This department has also produced various documentaries on prominent social leaders, on people who have made major contributions for the country and about important locations in India. These news releases and documentaries are useful for studying the history of modern India. Till now, we have seen some important sources for writing the history of modern India. History is a subject which touches all the aspects of our lives. Efforts for preservation of such sources are made at all levels. Thank you.